What if the life you're holding on to is the very thing holding you back? And what if the storm you fear is the one meant to set you free? In the quiet outskirts of Chicago lived Claire, a young woman who seemed to have it all: a stable job, a cozy apartment, and weekends spent with friends at her favorite cafe. But deep inside, she felt trapped, not by chains, but by her own comfort. Day after day, Claire woke up, went to work, came home, and repeated the cycle. Safe, predictable, but never truly alive. She often gazed out her window at the skyline, glowing in the distance, and whispered, "Is this it? Is this all there is to my life?" One winter morning, Claire's company announced layoffs. Her name was on the list. Her comfort was gone. Her cage had broken open. At first, she panicked. How will I pay rent? What if I fail? What if I can't find another job? But as weeks passed, something unexpected happened. For the first time in years, she slowed down. She began sketching something she loved as a child, but had buried under routine. At a local park, she met an old artist selling paintings by the fountain. His canvases weren't perfect, but they were alive, full of color and spirit. He noticed her sketches and smiled. "You know," he said, "storms don't come to destroy you. They come to clear a path." Those words struck her heart like lightning. She realized losing her job wasn't the end, it was the beginning. She started selling small sketches online. At first, just a few friends bought them, then strangers. Slowly, her passion turned into her path. Vocabulary: stagnant, meaning not moving, stuck. Example: her life felt stagnant, like a river that stopped flowing. Liberate, meaning to free. Example: taking risks can liberate you from fear. Resilient, meaning able to recover quickly. Example: she became resilient after facing her struggles. And here's what Claire's journey teaches us. Comfort feels safe, but it often keeps us stagnant. Sometimes life shakes us through loss, change, or struggle, not to break us, but to liberate us. Remember this: the storm you run from may be the very wind that lifts your wings. So, if you feel trapped in routine, if fear whispers, "Stay where you are," dare to step outside the cage. That is where true growth begins. If this story touched your heart, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring stories.